Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and I've got a very cool one for you today. A 1995 Ford F150 with a Gen 1 Coyote and the 6-speed automatic transmission. This truck is done in a beautiful dark tourmaline metallic green color that looks fantastic on this truck, and this thing's got a ton of upgrades that we'll get to in this video. So let's go ahead and start up front on this truck here. You can see that your grille has been all blacked out. Definitely gives this a bad to the bone look. You've got some upgraded headlights with projector headlights and LEDs in there that look really cool. Definitely give it a Restomod feel. Your bumper has been paint matched as well. Your hood is in really good condition. It looks fantastic. The fenders look great as well. Your F150 badge here has been blacked out as well. Your wipers are done in a gloss black. All your window trim is done in a gloss black, so all the black features tie into the truck and looks really good, guys. Your glass is in great condition as well. Even your mirrors have been painted black. You got a really nice set of 20-inch Ferrata wheels that look really good with that dark bronze with the black lip on it. It looks really nice. As we look at the door here, the door looks fantastic, really good condition, no major flaws. I don't see any dings, dents, or scratches or anything on it. Your door handles are also done in a black. Your cab is in excellent condition. The paint on this truck just looks really nice. It's super smooth. As I'm looking down the side of the truck, it's really straight. It's not wavy or anything like that. Out back here, you do have the 20-inch rim out back here as well. The side of the bed looks great. You've got your gas cap here. This truck has a custom 38-gallon tank, guys. So plenty of fuel to feed that 5.0 Coyote under the hood. So we're our way around the back side of the truck here. You've got an aftermarket set of smoke tail lights that look really good, give it a modern look. Tailgate's in excellent condition. You've got a black roll pan in the back here as well. As we look at the bed here, the bed is done in a rhino lining material, which looks really nice, and it still allows you to use this truck as a truck. You know, if you need to go to Home Depot or Lowe's and put something in the back, you can easily load it back there and you're not worried about messing up any really nice paint. But overall, a very sharp truck, guys. But with that being said, let's work our way back up front so I can show you the engine bay. All right, guys, check out that giant 5.0 Coyote motor crammed under the hood. This is a Gen 1 Coyote, so it's making 420 horsepower. Another cool thing that they did is they painted the intake cover and your coil covers to match the theme of the truck, which looks really, really nice. You've got an upgraded aluminum radiator in here as well. Power brakes, ice cold AC, but really the big focal point on this engine bay is that giant 5.0 Coyote motor in here that makes a ton of power. And the power is transferred to a 6-speed automatic transmission, guys. So this truck is really, really fun to drive. But guys, let's go ahead and work our way to the interior. Well, the first thing you notice on this interior is it is not the original. This is actually the Eddie Bauer interior, custom wrapped bench seat in here. There's a lot of upgrades on the interior in this truck. You've got an upgraded screen here for your parameters for your motor. So instead of having an analog gauge system, it's all digital and it looks really cool. You've got keyless entry in here with a push button start, which is really, really nice. That's a really nice upgrade. You've got an upgraded head unit here that's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and everything that you need. But overall, a really nice interior. The dash is in excellent condition. It's not cracked or busted. Carpet is all new in here as well. The headliner looks fantastic. But overall, a very sharp interior. But let's get to my favorite part, and let's take this one for a drive. All right, guys, as you can see, we're out driving in this bad to the bone F150 with a first gen 5.0 Coyote motor with that 6-speed automatic transmission. It gives you plenty of get up and go when you need it, and it makes it very fun to drive, guys, as you could just see. Another thing that I want to touch base on is the suspension on this truck. So on the front, you've got Crown Vic front suspension on it, and in the rear, you've got a Crown Vic rear end with all QA1 4-link and coilover set up in the rear. You also have 4-wheel disc brakes, so really good stopping power with this truck. You got ice cold AC. I also really like the digital gauge cluster up here. It makes it really easy to read and just gives it that Restomod feel, which is really, really cool. The upgraded head unit in here is really nice as well. Like I said, that's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can put your Google Maps and stuff all up there. when you're taking this thing to a cruise in or car show or just daily driving it. But overall, this truck drives fantastic, guys. What a truck. If you guys are interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for me, Chris, or my partner, Justin, and we can help you with financing, shipping, anything that you need to get this dream truck parked in your driveway. But guys, if you want to go to our website and look at all the detailed pictures and the detailed description, go to collectiblemotor.com, click on inventory, scroll down till you see this beautiful F150, and you'll be able to get all your questions answered there on the website. All right, guys, with that being said, we're going to wrap this video up. Till the next time, we'll catch you later.